So today I will discuss about working with the Windows operating system. Okay, this chapter number 5, working with Windows OS, working with Windows OS. So this Windows OS, it is each and every system is there. Okay, this the Windows OS operating system, that is before chapters I will teach you. That is what and I'll teach you. That is what is this file management. Next, memory management. Then third one, process management. Then security management. Next, fifth one, that is the control for overall performance. Next one, system management or device management. So these and all I will teach you before chapter. So before chapters I will teach you these and all. Sir, now I will teach you for how to working in the operating system in your system. Just today I will teach you. So listen carefully. So OS means what? That is the operating system. So OS is a system software or application software? So system software. So the system software, it is communicate to the application software or hardware. Hardware means device. Okay, each and every device, that is overall control in the system. Are you clear or not? Okay, good. So today I will teach you these and all. Okay, good. Sir, Windows operating system, what purpose you can use, sir? What purpose you can using means, there is each and everything, it is a controlling for the OS. That OS, how to that Windows OS means GUI. Already you know that. GUI means graphical user interface. That is called to GUI. That is a graphical user interface. So that is the main purpose of Windows OS. This advantage only is there. Okay, there is a graphical user interface means there is each and every user you can approach, means easy to working for the system. That is used for GUI main purpose. Okay, next I will teach you multitasking. What is mean by multitasking? The multitasking means one or more user concurrently you can using the system. That is called to what? That is a OS. That is a multitasking purpose in the Windows OS is there. Okay, so these and all today I will teach you. So what are the functions of Windows operating system is there. Each and everything I will teach you. So listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. Sir, this OS, what and all you can control, sir? What and all you can control? Just I will teach you one diagram. I will draw that. You can see here. This is OS. So this is OS. The OS, what and all is there? This is a system is there. Sir, this is a overall system. This is a system. Okay, system who and all used? User 1, user 2, up to user n. User n. Okay, the system inside these and all processes there. Okay, this is a application software or system software. So application system software, application software. There are here two main software inside of the computers there. Okay or not? These and all where? These and all software. These and all software. These all the things software. Okay, sir, this is a hardware means what? Hardware means downside you can check it. So these and all hardware. Hardware means who and all? For example, CPU is a hardware. Then what is this? RAM is hardware. Then input output device is a hardware. These and all both directional if you work. Both directional if you work. Your book is single direction is there, but each and everything, what is it? Each and everything is a bi-direction way only. If you request and response immediately will come. That is used for OS. So these and all, it is the functions of work. Sir, what and all is that? Access the each and every application software. Application software means what? That is Word. That is what? MS Word or MS Word 2013. That is a word processor. Then spreadsheet, game. These and all application software. That is who's accessing? That is a OS. Who's asking? That is a OS. That is a next I will load the new program. If you anything you can connected in the computer means who's accepting? That is the OS. Who's accepting? OS. The OS is that is a managing to the each and every program. Sir, this all the hardware. Who's the control? That is a OS. So each and every step it is a some users. The each and every functions is a OS only control. Okay. So next uses what, sir? Next uses what does that means? That is a file management. You are inside any file is there means who's functioning? That is a OS only. It is a functioning. So each and everything, the changing the settings, controls and panel, each and everything is the functions of controlling. So word processor if you control, hardware you can control, file management you can control. Then what is this? Next you can overall each and every programming you can control for OS. OS. So each and everything you can control for the OS. So this OS, what and all type is there? So many version is introduced in the companies. So your book, so many companies you can there. Each and every company, it is a introductions. That is a introduction means that is a intro. That is a using and develop advanced OS you can update will you can produce in the user in market. So that like what and all is there means see here Windows. The first Windows 1.x. This is 1985. 1985. That is a what is using means that is a what and all specific features. Some specific features only is there. That is a, that year only you can introduce in the input output devices. That is a input output device means what is this? Keyboard and mouse you can introduce. Keyboard and mouse. That is a 16-bit processor you can introduce. So next what is the processor you can using means Windows 2.6 2.x. This is which day means 1987. So in between two 1 year you can gap. Sir, this is what supporting in future, sir. This is here support in maximize and minimax windows is there. Maximize and minimax windows, the control, the each and everything is there. So these and all, it is called what? That is a update of the OS. Sir, third one, what is the sir? Third one, Windows 3.x. 3.x, which year you can use? 1992. So this is what does that means? This is the introduction multitasking concept you can use. Sir, multitasking means what? One or more user approach concurrently you can use. Sir, before OS didn't work, but 1992 only, what is this? The multitasking concept you can introduce. Okay, sir, this year I will introduce one more thing. 256. 256 colors you can interface to the computer that is using. So these and all what? That is each and everything you can Windows 3.x. So next OS, what does that means? Windows 95. That is here. This year, Windows 1995 you can introduce. That is what is the advantage concept is in. Start button is there. Huh? Each and every system you can start button is there. That is a task bar is there. So many introduced in this year. This year you can introduce in the 13-bit processor. So before what processor is there? 16-bit processor 1985 that is using. But here what is this? 1995, that is a 13-bit processor you can introduce. So that and all, what is this? This year you can introduce. So next Windows 98. The 98 which year? 1998 you can use. So this year what is the using? That means that is the integration of the web browser. Integration of the web browser. Web browser. So before here is not there. This concept is not execute. That is the Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. That is using. Okay, that is used. These and all, what is this? Internet Explorer. This Windows 98 you can introduce. Next, DOS gaming. So this year only the DOS gaming you can develop. That is improved. Okay, that is a improve in this OS introduce time. Okay, sir, next Windows NT. The NT means technology, network technologies. Here what does this means? Network technology you can use. This year what year means? That is a year it didn't say, but year what is this? 1998 or 99? That's all. Network design in the server. The server using for network. Sir, next what, sir? Next Windows Me. Windows Me. Sir, this year 2000. This year 2000. It is a, what is the using means? It is automated system diagnosis of the recovery tool. Recovery tool. That is a recovery tool means each and every files or things means that is a each and everything you can recover. So that is used for, that is a Windows Me operating system. Windows Me operating system. So these and all. So very carefully. Next, what does that means? Next, I will teach you Windows 2000. Windows 2000. That same year you can some advanced concept you can include in the OS. That is a Windows 2000 operating system. That is a many business laptop, each and everything. This year also you can update that the duration of 1 year, so many updates includes. Sir, what and all concept? That is a business desktop. business desktop. Next, what is this? Laptop. Laptop. So many introduced in the release the professional business application, data center, server, so many high traffic of the networks also. This Windows system you can accept. This Windows system you can accept. So very carefully you can see. So these and all I will there. Okay. Next, Windows XP. Windows XP, which year you can use? 2001. 2001. So 2001, that is what on the 64-bit processor you can introduce. So 2001 64-bit processor, 1995 32 processor, then 1998 16-bit processor. So each and every year some updates will come. Okay, that is the OS performance. Okay. Next, what is this? This year what and all is there means that is a Windows appearance, that is a themes and all offered in the stabler versions. That is a themes also you can change it in the this OS. Sir, next year what does it means? Windows XP or Windows Vista. Windows Vista you can 2006. So duration of same Windows XP also you can using 5 years. The 2006 you can update version of looking feel of Windows updated. That is this year. So many updates. So next, Windows 7. Windows 7 you can introduce 2009. Windows 7 2009 you can introduce. This and all what is it? Booting time and introduce the new user interface. The pinning of the program or handwriting recognitions, the Internet Explorer are also this OS. That is this Internet Explorer are also you can used in this year. Windows 7, so many updates is there. Next, Windows 8. Windows 8 2012. These and all also start button removed. Sir, what's the start button removed, sir? 2008 or 1995 start button you can use in the Windows system. Taskbar is there. But 2012 that start button you can remove that. That is a start button that and all you understand the user means. So this year start button removed. So start button remove that. So these and all update in the 2012. Okay. So these and all book inside is there. So each and every tables I will give the hints alone. Okay. You read the book line by line. You should understand. Okay, students. Okay. Next, I will teach you last one, Windows. So next operating system, Windows 10. The Windows 10, which year you can introduce? 2015. Okay, 2015, start button again you can add it in the OS. Sir, why sir again you can using means? So some user you can confused. Some user you can open the computer means start button is not there. This is not Windows. So some confused. So again what is this? Start button you can add it in the this 2010 you can introduce. That is a update, some modification. Here also multiple desktop computers you can connect to it. These also server managements, that is a data storage, each and everything you can controlling that. Okay, that is a activated personal assistant also. This OS you can uses. Okay, so this chapter if you started today, so 2 or 3 pages only I will finish. Just you can read the book one by one in the line. Okay, read first, you see the video, after you can open your book and read. Okay, thank you students.